welcome back. This is going to be a quick little mini haul about some stuff I got from West End, Pottery Barn, and Ikea. So we're just gonna jump right into this thing. So first we're gonna start off with my favorite. Make sure that we good. So we're gonna start with my favorite plate. I love how West End and Pottery Barn have like huge plating. This comes from West End, and it's like one of those dishes, you know, the thing is like the imperfect little shape. If y'all hear anything, I'm sitting on a bean bag and this vent is right here. So anywho, so I love how imperfect and how big this is. I did chip this. Y'all can see that big behind chip. It made me feel some type of way because I had this plate for like 2 days and chipped it. Anyways, but I love how large this is. And if you are one of those people that cook a lot and do the videos and the pictures, these plates are really cute for plating. So I don't know why my hair don't want to act right. Anywho, another plate, I got this from West End or Pottery Barn. I'll link it down below. This is like one of another perfect shape. Now that my white dishes that I'm going to show are porcelain. These black ones are not porcelain, meaning that porcelain you can put in a dishwasher, you can put in the microwave. These are just microwave safety, and you can kind of feel a difference. Like porcelain got a little weight to it. This one is not really heavy. I don't know if it's some type of plastic, but it says on the back of it you cannot put it in the microwave. But nonetheless, it's pretty big. The little shape I love. Along with the black. If you didn't know, my kitchen, my dishes are mainly black, white. I like to cook with wooden spoons, and then my glasses are clear glasses. I am looking into maybe getting these black glasses from Zara Home, but we don't know. Anywho, my hair don't want to act right. Like, anywho, got this bowl from West End or whatever. I'm gonna link everything down below. So I like this little bowl. It looks really small, and on site, like when I got it, I was a little disappointed because on the website it looks bigger. But I made something, I think like some noodles, and it fit the whole thing, and I was shocked. So I was like, okay. So what else? This is another black bowl, the little imperfect shape. I love these big bowls. I actually use these bowls more than I do plates. I only really use my plates when I feel real fancy and cook. Like I'm gonna cook tonight some salmon. I know you don't say the L, but I say the L, so don't come for me. So salmon, I'm gonna cook some salmon and some lobster, whatever. Anywho, but I use these a lot. I got this one in the black, and I'm going to show you the one I have in the white. I got this one in the white. This one, the black one is like the whole imperfect shape. This one is more round. I got this from Pottery Barn. I'm actually going to order more of these because I had 4. I have 2. We ain't even going to get into that. Anywho, so these are another bowl. I got these from West End, so, and I actually use these whenever I do my smoothie bowls. I'll either use this or the bigger bowls. So yeah, so we're gonna go right into Ikea. So I love these. Like, I've seen these at other stores like Zara Home. I love Zara Home, but guess what? Ikea got these. I think it was $4.99, and they was on sale recently for $3.99. And I'm not sure if Zara Home bottles are bigger, but girl, leave this hair alone. But these are just fine for me. somebody told me they look like the bottles you put a little boat in, or you put a message and send it out to sea. He's a hater. But I ordered 2 because I was like, I'm gonna order more. I have one of them now I'm using. I normally put my juice or my coffee creamer in there. If a certain somebody is watching this, yes, I still gave up coffee, but I use coffee creamer for my protein shakes to give it a little thickness. I don't like it with just water. Anywho, so these are, I don't see the size, but I'm gonna tell you, when it comes to my almond coffee creamer, it fits the whole container. When it comes to my juice, it fits most of it. And I've also used this to take water to work, so it's good for me. So along with Ikea, I got these 2 candlesticks. I've seen other people like have similar candlesticks, and they make it look like their dining room looks so elegant and pretty for holidays. I got these from Ikea for my ancestral altar. If you know what that is, you know. But yeah, I might order more, you know, if I have people over for holidays. I probably won't. What you come to my house for? I'm joking. Semi-joking. Anyways, along with the candlesticks, I got these white candles to go in there. These are pretty cheap, and I think I was looking for a lot of these before and I couldn't find them at Walmart or whatever, so why not? Along with that, I got this little thingy-majiggy. I can't find it now. I was just putting everything in my cart because this is, you can see I didn't even take the plastic off. It's supposed to, when you don't blow out your candle, like those candles, you can just put this little thing and it goes out. Normally with my candles that's in a little container, I still don't blow them out. If you didn't know, all you gotta do is put the top on it and it automatically goes out. I just got this because I was like, ooh, yeah. So we're gonna go into these 2 vessels I got. If you watched my previous video, you saw them already, but 2 vessels I got from Pottery Barn, and then some eucalyptus, dried eucalyptus I got from West Elm. So this is one of the vessels. I think I've already talked about this in one of my videos. I'm trying to open the curtains to get that natural lighting. So this is one of the vessels. This is I think the terracotta vessel, the large one. I'm gonna link it down below. These are what you call these things? Olive branches that I got from Amazon. So we've all seen this. I'm gonna, of course, change this up a little bit. Can't wait to put the painting right there. This is the second vessel I got from Pottery Barn. This is the Joshua vessel, the large one. And then these eucalyptus I got from West Elm. This was on the floor because I had to measure my wall right here, because it was right here. And I had to measure my wall because I was doing my frame for my canvas. Girl, we're gonna get into why I didn't do these painting yet, but anywho. But those are my 2 vessels. If you get this eucalyptus, now I'm not gonna lie, I was happy when I got the eucalyptus, but then I got upset because I couldn't smell it. But these are dried eucalyptus, and I knew I wouldn't be able to smell it, like, you know, if it wasn't dried. But every now and then when I pass by it, I can smell it. Or sometimes like coming inside, I can smell it. So I definitely like them now. So I don't know, like, this hair is not giving what it was supposed to give. Like, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. So yeah, if I keep messing with my hair, because it's not like, it's not as flat as I want it to be. And I'm pretty sure because my hair underneath isn't flat, I just threw it on for this video, but it's bothering me. Anywho, so that was a quick little mini haul. Please stay tuned. If you're not a part of the Kiki fam, please subscribe, tell a friend, and tell a friend to bring a friend. You know what I'm saying? Thumbs up, share, and stay tuned. My next video, I think I'm going to talk about the time I had to get my Tesla fixed and how much it costs. Like, damn. But stay tuned.